This is the Nema 520 female to 515 male power adapter. It features a Nema 520 female connector on one side and a Nema 515 male connector on the other side. The adapter is rated for 15 amps at 125 volts. The adapter will allow you to connect a Nema 520 cable, frequently found on more heavy-duty equipment like household appliances, into a standard 515 outlet. It is important to note, however, you should not exceed the voltage or amperage of the adapter. Please make sure to check the details of your equipment before use. The Nema 520 female to 515 male power adapter is a quick and easy solution for your cabling projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.